Baby, we need to go, sweetheart. Hello, my bear. You have to go to school. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, I think she is. She's coming down. Hi, my love. Good morning. Okay, cuddle. I didn't think it can be this hard, guys. Oh. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So it is currently 5:20 in the morning, guys, and yes, it's really early. That's when I get up to get ready for work. I am filming, guys, because I'd like to document this day because it's going to be a big day for my little girl Paris today. It's her first day at childcare and I'm just getting myself ready, and then after that I'm gonna get her ready and then I'm gonna take her to the childcare, guys. So yeah, I'd like you to join us in this journey, and I'm getting so emotional. I have been thinking about it so much last night. I just can't believe that she is finally doing it, and I think it's just very normal for me to feel anxious, guys, because you know, leaving your child with people who you don't know, but you know them because you met them before, but you know they're not related to you, you're not even friends with you. So yeah, I hope that she'll be fine. Oh Lord. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna get ready now, and I'll see you all again soon. So Tita helped me dress up Paris before, but I think she just went back to sleep. Hello, my little bear. Sweetheart. Baby, we need to go, sweetheart. Hello, my bear. You have to go to school. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, I think she is. She's coming down. Hi, my love. Good morning. Okay, cuddle. 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 Good morning, sweetie.
Oh, Didi?
Didi. What's that? I'm going to fix her hair when we get there. You want to say hi? Say, I'm ready for school. Good morning, everyone. You ready for school? I love you, my love. Alright, guys, just gonna go down now and grab our stuff, get in the car, and we have to drive. Oh, sweetheart, I'm so proud of you, honey. I love you. Alright, guys, we are off. Tita is just putting Paris in the car. She's trying to sleep again. Bye-bye, Tita.
Bye.
See you when we get home later. You guys, I'm going to drive now to the childcare and then to work. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So hi again, guys. We just got here. I just parked. As you can hear in my background, I was playing lullabies all the way from home to here. So Paris is sleeping. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take her in now and make sure she's all settled and comfortable before I leave for work. Yeah, guys, it's going to be very different and hard for Tita as well. So Tita is Mimi, guys, my sister, because she's been with Paris ever since I went back to work full-time March. So since March they were together, and you know, it will be the first time that she won't be with Paris for the whole day. And yeah, the anxiety is still there, guys, for me. You know, I always have that question in my head: is she going to have, you know, the love and the care that she needs every day while she's at the childcare? Obviously, you know, me going back to work, she was with my sister. I know that my sister is going to look after her and, you know, give her the love and give her, you know, the attention and everything. But it will be different at the childcare, obviously, because there's lots of kids and it's not one-on-one attention, right? But yeah, I know she will be fine. She's my girl, so yeah, she'll be good. But yeah, guys, I have to wake her up now so we can go in. I will just give you an update later on. Princess, honey girl, we're here. You're going to your school. Aww. Come on, cuddle mama. Oh, shush, good girl. So guys, we're walking to the center now. How do you feel, honey? Are you excited to see your friends? Are you excited to see your friends and play?
Is it baby?
Yeah.
Toys?
Toys, that's right. You're gonna see babies and toys. I woke her up, guys, and straight away she woke up. Are you excited, aren't you?
Baby.
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 Baby. So Paris is in the room now, guys. I'll just stay here in the parents' room for 10 minutes and just observe what she's doing before I go to work. I didn't think it can be this hard, guys. Oh. I just sneak out of the room. And I think she's gonna be fine. So guys, it is 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm on my lunch break, guys. And guess what? Guess where I am? I am at the childcare. So I just parked and well, 1:30, you know, that's nap times for the babies. But I'm gonna go in, but I'm not gonna show my face to Paris. So I'm just gonna go and, you know, sneak in and try to check how she's going and what she's doing, because again, guys, Paris has got no routine as yet. Well, she's got routine, but it's different to the routine at the center. So if the other kids are sleeping, I'm not sure what she's doing. I'm not sure if she's going to sleep as well. So I'm gonna go and see what she's up to, and I'll be back. So I just left the center and I didn't even get to see her, guys. I got there and the facilitator said that she is sleeping, which is amazing. That's what I want. But I knew that she's going to sleep at 1 o'clock, guys, because she was awake early this morning. So yeah, it's good. I stayed there for around, you know, half an hour and she was sleeping straight. So I wasn't able to see her, guys, because obviously I don't want to go in and disturb everyone. So I just looked through the window and then yeah, I left. I'm going to pick her up in 2 hours time, so should be alright. I think we're doing good. Everything's going well so far, guys, so I'm happy. Now I just have to go back to work. Hi again, guys. So just an update. It's currently 4:20 in the afternoon and I am going to pick Paris up now from the childcare, guys. It'd be really interesting to know how her day went, so I can't wait. Honey! Hi! What's that? Come here! Come here! You've done so well, sweetheart. I love you, baby girl. Mama's so proud of you, honey. Tita? Where's Tita? Where's Tita? Where's Tita? Where's Tita? Oh, it's dirty manang no. What have you got? Bear. Is that your bear? Ooh, don't drop the bear, honey. Can you please put it back? Thank you. So we're just at the parents' room. I just breastfed Paris. So she had her Didi, and then the teacher gave this to me. It's Paris' drawing. Cute. But yeah, that's about it for Paris's first day, guys. It's very emotional this morning. Well, I was very emotional this morning, but I think Paris did really well. I spoke to some of her teachers and they said that Paris had a good day. Paris is, you know, like enjoying it, and it seems like, you know, she was having fun. So I was so happy to hear that. But yeah, it was really good. You know what makes me feel at ease is that because they have this app, so I can, you know, download on my phone, and they will actually send you updates. So for example, you know, morning tea, they had fruit. For lunch they had rice and beef and all that, so I know what's happening. And also, even when they change Paris's nappy, they have that on record as well, so they send us updates every time they do something. So that was really good. That makes me feel at ease and, you know, feel relaxed leaving Paris here. So yeah, I think that's it. 1 day down, more days to go. But all in all, I think Paris done such a great job. I'm so proud of her. Come on, sweetheart. Paris?
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Here? Come here. Come here. Do you want to say hi? Good job. Did you have a good day? So you say yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, that's about it for today's vlog, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. gonna go home now, guys, because traffic's going bad and we still have to drive really far. So yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.